So you say you want an online business and you want to be an online entrepreneur. And I'm here to tell you guys, it's just simply not for everyone. Hey guys, Joey Matterhorn here, and I'm the epitome of the self-employed person. The last job I had lasted 2 days in 1999. Couldn't eat lunch at 1 o'clock, so by the end of the day, I turned in my resignation and I never showed up again. That was the last job I had. You see, I believe that entrepreneurs are born, not made. I had it in me from the very beginning to carve my own niche and make my own path. But it's not for everyone. You have to understand the following things to be a successful online entrepreneur. Number one, you are your boss. Nobody is going to tell you to get up and go to work that day. If you don't want to work, you won't work, and you will become your own worst enemy. Number two, your spouse or significant other will get on you almost immediately if money doesn't come in right away. So you better have a supportive spouse. That is almost more important than number one. I have seen many relationships and marriages dissolve over this exact subject. And then the funny thing is, when you then have time freedom because of your breakup or divorce and you become successful, they wonder, why couldn't you do that when you were with me, when they were the problem? Having a supportive spouse will not only make or break you, but every single billionaire I've ever met says the number one decision in their life was picking the right spouse. And number three, there's an old saying that if it can go wrong, it will go wrong. Well, more importantly, with an online business, it's not a matter of if something stops. It is a matter of when, which means that if you have your business going along this channel, then all of a sudden that advertiser stops paying you, your website goes down, a traffic source goes away, you better have at least 5 streams of income if you have an online business, because it's not a matter of if they're going to go down, it's when they go down. For every person I talk to that wants an online business, I would say at least 50% of them said, yeah, I tried something once and it started off okay, and then it fell apart. Well, guess what? It fell apart because you weren't prepared. It's your fault, like it or not. Yeah, the company might have shut you off, the MLM company might have gone away, your sponsor might have left, your website might have gone down, your developer quit. It could be a myriad of reasons. But why hasn't that happened to me? Because I have 10 streams of income. It happens to me. You'll just never know it. So if you decide you want an online business, number one, you better know that you have to wake up earlier than everyone, work later than everyone, work nights and weekends, and work when other people aren't working, because you have to get ahead. Number two, you better have a great and supportive spouse or your life is going to fall apart and that will drag your business down with it. And number three, you have to understand that if you have 5 streams of income, one of them will go down. You're going to have to replace it. You better have the understanding that once you have your first successful campaign, it's not time to celebrate and buy a nice car or a nice house. It's time to reinvest in yourself to build up at least 8 streams of income, which I call the octagon of income. Because once you have 8 income streams in place, you will be an online entrepreneur the rest of your life. If you want to decide if being an online entrepreneur is for you or not, like this video and subscribe to it. And I promise to share you all the ups and downs, goods and bads of being an online entrepreneur. Hey, thanks for watching.